My name's Rich, and next Saturday on the 29th of September at St Peter's Church, Vauxhall, between 1 and 5 p.m, I'll be offering my new workshop, A Deeper Acceptance. The workshop is about support, connection and empowerment, and is aimed at those dancers who move with pain or illness. It's not important how or why that pain or illness manifests, whether you have a big pain or a small pain or something that's constant or something that manifests every 6 months. Even if you have a really snotty cold that you're really frustrated with and you're really tired of, this workshop is for you. All are welcome. Pain and illness can engender strong responses in us. We often feel lethargic, frustrated, overwhelmed. Sometimes we might not even know we're feeling some of these feelings. Frustration can boil under the surface without us actually knowing it's there. This can cause fragmentation within us because we're in our daily practice, daily lives, we don't get a chance to really connect with those places, acknowledge and accept them. So the crux of this workshop, the core of this workshop, is creating connection and acceptance with those challenging places. And by connecting and accepting them, we will create a unified self and heal that fragmentation. We will then get the opportunity to take that unified self through a wave and so create the possibility of transformation, healing and a new creative way of being. This is what I've learned living with a serious chronic illness for the last 10 years and dancing my practice, and that's what I want to share with you in this workshop. I spoke about support, and we're delighted to have the support of 5Rhythms reach out. This means that we really want to support anyone that wants to come to the workshop who might benefit, and we realise not everyone can not everyone might have the financial resources for that. And so if you are lacking financial resources, we can offer you a free place. Please get in touch if that's of interest. But we also realise that it might be difficult for some to get to and from the venue, and if that's the case, we can cover the cost of taxis as well. We're going to have time for connection in the workshop. There's going to be time for tea, cake and sharing as well. We can do everything we can to support your healing journey and your journey of empowerment with us on Saturday. If you listen to this video and you're thinking, well, it's not quite for me, but you know someone who might be interested, please share it, or please share the Facebook event or send them the link to the event. You might have a relative or a friend who maybe is quite isolated or stuck at home, but you think might benefit from some movement. Please let them know. I think that's it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing those who come on Saturday, and if you have any questions or if you're not sure if it's for you, please get in touch. Looking forward to seeing you on the dance floor then.